There are so many different types of faceless YouTube channels you can create. How-to and tutorial channels are incredibly popular and effective in this format. For example, you can teach software skills using screen recordings, demonstrate craft techniques with close-ups of your hands, or show cooking processes focusing only on the ingredients and the preparation steps. Viewers come to these channels for specific information or to learn a new skill. They care about clear instructions and helpful visuals, not necessarily seeing the instructor's face. This direct approach makes learning efficient and keeps the audience engaged with the task at hand, ensuring they get the value they came for. Animation and whiteboard channels offer another dynamic way to present information without being on camera. Animated explainer videos can break down complex topics into easily digestible and visually appealing segments. These can range from simple 2D animations to more elaborate motion graphics. Whiteboard animations, where a hand appears to draw illustrations and text on a whiteboard, are also very engaging for educational content or storytelling. These formats are excellent for keeping viewers' attention because they are visually stimulating and can simplify abstract concepts. The creative possibilities are vast, allowing for unique branding and memorable content delivery. Compilation channels, often known as top 10 or listicle-style videos, are another common type of faceless content. These channels curate clips, images, or information around a specific theme. For instance, you might see top 10 scariest movie moments or 5 best budget laptops. The content often relies on fair use of existing material, combined with original voiceover and editing to create a new, transformative work. These channels can attract large audiences because they tap into popular interests and offer easily consumable entertainment or information. The key is to add significant value through insightful commentary or unique curation. Channels that primarily use stock footage, screen recordings, or slideshows with voiceovers are also very prevalent. Meditation and relaxation channels often use calming stock videos of nature paired with soothing music and guided voiceovers. Gaming channels might show gameplay footage with commentary. News summary or educational channels can use stock images and videos to illustrate their points, while a narrator explains the topic. These methods allow for consistent content production, even with limited original video recording capabilities. The focus remains on delivering a high-quality audio-visual experience that supports the core message of the video effectively.